Ratchet strap reel version 4. So this is the video on what's new in version 4 and how to use it. But first of all, I want to thank you all for the comments I got on the older versions. I'm really grateful, like that you enjoy this design so much. So what's new? We finally have an integrated locking mechanism. This was requested multiple times. Now I finally found a solution that's satisfying, at least for me. We have this hex hole in which you can enter a 6mm hex bit. If you find that after assembling this the crank doesn't spin free, you can use your cordless screwdriver to spin it for a while, and then this should make it spin free. Also, the whole thing is more rigid. This was also requested multiple times. So, how to use it? The principle is the same as in the older versions. You put the strap in here, make sure to push the belt all the way down, and then you just push it all the way down, and then you just wind it. To lock, you simply push this bolt in and you're all set.